Carries the ancient sound where my heart has always across the planet.